Good morning, children. Welcome back to mathematics class, Polynomials, part 7. In the previous session, you have learned the division of the polynomials in two methods. That is, one is directly finding the remainder and the quotient, and the second one is checking whether the given polynomial, first polynomial, is a factor of the second polynomial or not. Now, in today's session, you are going to learn the second model as what you learned in the previous session. One more example based on that, and along with that, very important sum, which is a 4-mark question for your board exam. So children, so that sum I will explain 2 times. Please listen and watch carefully and practice that sum as many times as you can. Okay children, so let us see the first one. Now, the previous session as what you learned, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial or not. In that model, another example I have here, I brought it here. That is, yeah, the given question is here, x cube minus 3x plus 1, x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 1. So let us divide x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 1 with x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now you see here, to get x power 5, x cube is to be multiplied by x square, then you will get x power 5. So write in a coefficient x square, then x cube into x square, that is x power 5, then x square into 3x, that is minus 3x cube, minus plus 1 into x square is x square. Then here this x square, second expression, x power 5 plus x power 5 changes to minus x power 5. So both the x power 5s will be cancelled. Then here minus 3x cube will change to plus 3x cube. So minus 4 plus 3, the result is minus 1. So here it is minus x cube, then plus x square minus this plus x square changes to minus x square. So plus x square minus x square, the value is 0. Bring the next two terms down, that is plus 3x minus 1. Now to get minus x cube, we must multiply that x cube with minus 1 so that you will get minus x cube. So write in the quotient minus 1. Then x cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. Then x square term is nothing is there, so make 0 there. Then minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x is here plus 3x. Then minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 1. Then you see here this minus x cube changes to plus x cube. So both the terms value is 0. The next one is anyhow it is 0. That next one plus 3x changes to minus 3x here. So this plus 3x, this minus 3x, the value is again 0. This minus 1 is here minus 1. Here this minus 1 changes to plus 1. Then minus 1, here plus 1, its value is 0. Finally, the complete expression value is here. The difference is 0. So, as the remainder is 0, the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Now, the very important question, that is your examination point of view, children, this is very important model for your 4 marks exam, 4 marks for your board exam. So question is here, obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. The root is for both children for 5 and 3. Now you see here, the p of x is equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, and two of the zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So the zeros are, these two are the zeros of the given polynomial p of x. So we have to take it as x is equal to root 5 by 3 and another x value is equal to minus root 5 by 3. Now transpose this plus 5 plus root 5 by 3 to the left hand side of equal to, then you will get x minus root 5 by 3, and here transpose plus root 5 minus root 5 by 3 to the left hand side of equal to, then it will become x plus root 5 by 3. Now these two are the two expressions, two factors of the two of the factors of the given polynomial. Already these two are given in the question. So now to get the other two zeros, first you must multiply x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Let us see the product here, x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. Here you have to use the identity a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square. Root 5 by 3 whole square is nothing but root 5 into root 5 is 5. Then root 3 into root 3, which is 3. So x square minus 5 by 3. Now take the LCM for this. Now denominator is 3, numerator is multiply this 3 with x square, so 3x square minus 5. Now if you take 1 by 3 here, the common out of the bracket, then the leftover is here 3x square minus 5. So you can leave this 1 by 3, the constant part you can leave it, and divide the p of x with the 3x square minus 5. Then see the division, 3x square minus 5 with 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Then to get 3x power 4, 3x square is to be multiplied with x square. Then we'll get 3x power 4. Then multiply x square into 3x square is 3x power 4, and x square into 5 is what? Minus 5x square. So write this minus 5x square just below the x square term, that is below 2x square minus 3x square, right? Minus 5x square. Then 3x power 4, 3x power 4 both are getting cancelled because in our second expression plus 3x power 4 changes to minus 3x power 4. So plus 3x x power 4 and minus 3x power 4 value is 0. Now the x cube term, 6x cube, and in down 0 is there. So 6x cube plus 0 is again 6x cube. Now the next time when you see minus 5x square changes to plus 5x square. So plus 5 minus 2, the value is plus 3. So we'll get here plus 3x square. Bring the next term down, that is minus 10x. Now to get 6x cube, 3x square, you have to multiply with 2x. Then we'll get here 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. Then 2x into 5 is minus 10x. So you write, you didn't get any x square term here. That's why in the product, that's why you write a 0 here. Now this plus 6x cube and this plus 6x cube changes to minus 6x cube. So this complete value is 0. Now 3x square plus 0 will become 3x square here. Then this minus 10x changes to plus 10x. So minus 10x plus 10x, the value is again 0. Bring the last term down, that is minus 5. Now to get 3x square, you must multiply 3x square with 1. So 3x square into 1 is 3x square. Then 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Now here this plus 3x square changes to minus 3x square. So plus 3x square and this minus 3x square, its value is completely 0. Anyhow, the second one is 0. Then here this minus 5 changes to plus 5. So this minus 5 plus 5, its value is 0. Now, so the quotient here we got it as x square plus 2x plus 1. Now what we should do is we must factorize the quotient by splitting the middle term. Now you see here x square plus 2x plus 1. The product of the coefficients, first and the last term coefficients are 1 and 1. It is x square coefficient, nothing is there, so we should take it as 1. And last term is 1. So 1 into 1, product is 1. So 1 ones are 1 and 1 plus 1, its value is 2. So split the 2x as 1x plus 1x. So we can write this expression as x square plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. Then now you take in first two terms x is common. So x into x plus 1, x into x plus 1 plus 1 into plus 1 into x plus 1. In the next two terms, there is no common, so we must take 1 as common. So we will get here 1 into x plus 1. First two terms x is common, so x into x plus 1. Then the next two terms no common, that is 1. 1 is common, so take 1 as common, 1 into x plus 1. Now in these two parts, x plus 1 is common. To take x plus 1 common, here leftover is x, here leftover is plus 1. So into x plus 1. So if x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to, find the 0 of this polynomial x plus 1, you must equate the polynomial to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Similarly, the other one of the same only will get minus 1. So the other two zeros of the polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cubed minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 are minus 1 and minus 1, because we got both are same factors x plus 1 and x plus 1. So the zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. See children? So in this way, we have to find if the any polynomial is given and any two of the zeros of the given polynomial are given, then first we must write those two zeros into the polynomials, that is binomial polynomials. Then should multiply both of them. Then we should divide the given polynomial with that product. Then you should take the quotient, and quotient if you factorize it, then you'll get the other two zeros. This model is very, 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 very important for your board exam for 4 marks, children. So practice this sum very well, and this the same sums only I will give as a assignment also. The same model you have, even example sum also is there. So I will give the example sum in your assignment, so that you can do this exercise sum and example sum also as the assignment for the practice. So children, I hope you might have understood the today's content. So practice once again children. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.